trrough GM. Built in 1889, this home was entered into the National Registry of Historic Places. It is in impeccable condition, and there have been lots of interior renovations. The latest of which is a walk-in tile shower in the master bath. It has a modern kitchen with granite and backplash, wood floors, LED accent lighting and stainless appliances. There is 3214 of heated square feet and 1254 square feet of low country wraparound porches. The interior includes all wood and tile flooring throughout, 10 feet wood plank ceilings, wainscot and heavy moldings, built-in cabinetry, 4 fireplaces, an oak mantel with built-in beveled mirror. Additional upgrades include tankless water heater, 2 HVAC units, vinyl windows, and an architectural shingled hip roof. This is located within walking distance of the Marion County Museum and is believed to be the first home in the City of Marion to have electric lights and a bathtub. Outside boasts a 2-car detached garage, 2 concrete circular drives, brick front entry walk, irrigation system and well, beautiful working water fountain in the front yard. 2 lots with 500 feet of highway frontage on facing 2 streets. This home is just a true southern charm, perfect for the family who appreciates history. It is a memorable stroll through the house. There is a large unfinished attic upstairs for the enthusiast who would like to add on. Call today and get a peek.